Rod Maceda makes history for Bisaya music. First Bisaya artist in 2025 to release a full LP album on cassette and vinyl. In a groundbreaking moment for regional music, Rod Maceda officially becomes the first Bisaya artist in 2025 to release a full-length LP album of original Bisaya songs on both cassette tape and vinyl record. Blending modern production with nostalgic formats, Maceda's LP captures the soul of Bisaya songwriting. Authentic, poetic, and proudly regional. The cassette edition features 12 original tracks, while the vinyl version offers 9 carefully curated songs, each written, composed, and produced by Maceda himself. This release marks a historic milestone for the Visayan music scene, proving that Bisaya artists continue to innovate while honoring the roots of Filipino music culture. In an age dominated by digital streaming, Maceda's commitment to physical formats revives the tangible joy of collecting and listening to music the classic way. Fans and collectors alike celebrate this achievement as a symbol of pride for Bisaya artistry, showing that the region's musicians are not only keeping the language alive, but also pushing it forward into new creative horizons. Rod Maceda's LP album stands as a testament to passion, craftsmanship, and regional pride, making history for Bisaya music in 2025.
Bisan pag tunay ko'y basa kasing-kasing